I just got stopped out for me. I ended up blowing the account though. All right, when don't I? Um, I ended up full porting that 50K account at XFA that I have. Okay, I made it. I got my payout. I blew my account that I got the payout from. Fuck it, right? Shit go wrong. Let's go back down to paper trading for a little bit. Focus on my strat. Focus on shit that's gonna actually help me.
My haters like my stomach feel sick. They like, oh my god, when will he quit? He been chasing paper, one day he'll be real rich. They like, oh my god, he still lit. He play.
Damn. All right, what's up, everybody? How's it going? It's currently 5:20 right now. As you guys can see, I'm outside. It's dark as shit. I'm gonna hit legs real quick before I go. Before market opens, just so I get a clean workout in, get my protein shake in, have a clear headspace when coming into the market. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit this real quick. I think I'm gonna just do the bench out here. Probably go back inside and hit the rest of my legs and shit. So I'll go ahead and see you guys. I would try to get this shit on camera for you, me hitting my bench, and I'm gonna record it, but I don't think it's gonna be as clear because of how dark it is out here. So we'll go ahead and see how that plays out. But I'll pick you guys up later. Alright, what's up, everybody? How's it going? I'm back inside. Hit my legs real quick, and then I made my protein shake. This shit got like, I lucky did my own recipe on that shit. I got an inspiration from TikTok. That shit has like 1,000 calories or like 64 grams of protein. I'm on a bulk right now. I'm trying to bulk up to at least like 160. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all that. I'm about to log in right now, mark out my key levels for market and shit. I'll go ahead and update you guys on. I think today I'm gonna screen record me taking my trade if I do take a trade, and then analyze why I took it and all that. So, I'll go ahead and see you guys within the next clips or something like that. Yo. Alright, so I'm gonna just go ahead and record my trade entries for today. Alright, see what I'm showing in the market. Basically just how I'm trading, right? But rather than just doing a trade recap for you guys, let's say here, go through actual live markets with you. Not with myself, right? And just go ahead and show you guys what I'm looking for. So we are at all-time highs today. I do want to see price come. Alright, I do want to see price come and make higher highs. I do need more confluences rather than just this shit. And I do need market to open first before I take a trade, so. Again, I'm overall bullish for today just because we are at all-time highs. So if we look at the 1 hour time frame, price came and tapped into the 1 hour fair value gap. And we're at all-time highs, so I'm not looking for no shorts. So my bias is just bullish, right? So I'm just looking for confluences that adhere to my bullish bias. So on the 5-minute chart, we end up breaking structure to the upside off of the 605 candle. We break that high, that lower high. So now we're in a bullish, bullish trend. And now I'm just looking for 1 minute confluences to execute my trade. But if we take out these London highs without even getting a retracement, probably won't even get in. Because that would have been my take profit area. I just got stopped out. Alright, what's up everybody? How's it going? I'm back. As you guys can see, I took a loss in the previous clip. I don't know, but either it's going to be the trade recap or live trading. This would have been a cleaner entry for me. I ended up blowing the account though. Alright, when don't I? I ended up full porting that 50K account at XFA that I have. Was it a stupid thing to do? Yes. If my bias was bullish, I don't know why I just break my rules all the time. After getting my first payout, I don't know why I'm sitting here. I knew if I follow, well, when I got my first payout, I full ported that shit. This XFA account, I full ported it. I ended up hitting. Then I got my green winning days. So, to be honest, I've been breaking my rules. I don't know why it's so fucking outside of trading. I can follow my diet plan. I can follow my everything I gotta do. But when it comes to trading, I just cannot follow my fucking rules. I'm starting sitting here debating if this shit's even for me. But can't sit here and bullshit and complain and fucking have it affect my day. If you let, I used to let it affect my day. Right, blowing the account. You're a little bitch if you do. So don't be a little bitch. Go hit your fucking gym workout. Fucking fat fuck. And then I'm going to pick you guys up. I got to go to the DMV. I have to go take my Class B license test. And then from there, I spend time with my girl. And after that, I got to come back in. Fuck, that TP would have got hit. So this would have been the most optimal trade. Right? If I would have just waited for that 5-minute gap to get filled. Bam, right here. Wait for a 1-minute break of structure. Bam, was right here. 1 to 2. That's the trade I should have full ported on. But again, you can't sit here and complain. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit biceps real quick. Drink my monster. Fucking pop my Zen and then go on about my fucking day, bro.
Stunts and videos off just for you guys to see. You guys are the reason we keep getting these fucking unbelievable guests. I'm a house on a hill where the lightning.
Alright, what's up everybody? How's it going? I'm back. It's currently Monday. I didn't pick you guys up all weekend. I did go do some quote unquote white girl shit with my girl. We ended up going apple picking. I was telling her this. I don't think I would ever tell my friends or my brothers one day let's get up and just go fucking pick apples for some reason. But we went and did that. Then we went to a petting zoo. Saturday, what we do Saturday? It was my little brother's birthday party. We went and did something for him. And then Sunday, meal prepped and fucking... I gotta stop saying fucking. I sound like I don't know. I don't have a very large vocabulary. On Sunday, I ended up doing a meal prep and just back testing my strategy. What I'm thinking of doing is taking the rest of this month off with trading, or the next 2 weeks off with trading, right? Just to get my psychology right again. So my dad was telling me, I was having a conversation with my dad. He ended up telling me, I was telling him, because he doesn't really know shit about trading, right? He doesn't really know. It's still like far-fetched for him, or like out of like. But I was asking him, I was like, Dad, like I keep blowing these accounts, I keep fucking up. And he just gave me the analogy to look at this shit like if it was Major League Baseball, right? Because that's what he's well versed in. That's what he knows a lot more of, sports. He's a real big sports guy. So I asked him, hey, like, well, he's like, look, if you keep fucking up, if you know you're like, you know what you're doing, you know you understand the market, you know all this, go back to the minor leagues. So in baseball, they have the major leagues, which is the MLB, and then they got the minor leagues where they send players that are hurt, coming back from hurt injuries, or are not doing too good in the major leagues, right? They send them down there to get back, and all they focus on in the minor leagues is just the basics, right? All they're focusing on is just the basic fucking fundamentals, basic shit that made them get to that MLB stadium and shit, right, to the pros. So what I'm thinking of, okay, I made it. I got my payout. I blew my account that I got the payout from. Fuck it, right? Should have gone wrong. Let's go back down to paper trading for a little bit. Focus on my strat. Focus on shit that's going to actually help me progress, and then come back stronger, not stronger, but harder than ever, right? When I do come back, start, instead of doing the 50K accounts, jump right into the 150Ks and just continue from there. So that's probably going to be the game plan. So for these next few videos, there's just going to be trade recaps, market analysis, and then Fridays I'll do like I'm still waking up at the same time, still doing the shit, just so that when I come back in the live market, I'm better than what I was when I got my payout. So that's going to be the end of this video. I know I didn't update you guys on. I know it might look a little weird, jump around too much, but I'm going to go ahead and pick you guys up. Not too sure later on tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Tuesday? Or if I'm going to pick you guys up on Wednesday. But I'll see you guys the next time I continue documenting this shit. So I'll see y'all then. Y'all have a good one. Stay blessed.